baby, Slim doll. You already know, and I'm back with another freaking video because we got a pack in the mail. And do y'all miss me? Because I miss y'all, and yeah, all that good stuff. Let's get into it. And also, if y'all ever want to send me something, just hit me in the DM on Instagram or email me. Everything is in the link in the bio, but let's get straight into it. So today we got a pack in the mail from Icandinailsandlashes on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow them, check them out, all that good stuff, period. Because baby, you don't want to miss this. So we just gonna start this thing off with the lashes. The lashes, baby, don't play with her. She's not one of them. Yeah, never be, never gonna be. And that's gonna be purr. Anywho, look at the lashes, baby. Let's get into them. And I'm also wearing a pair right now. Yeah, don't play with her. Before we even get to the nitty gritty, can y'all guess what it is? Yes, cool, it is there. And look at the little kit that comes with it. Like, don't play with her. And the time has come. So let's open this bad boy up. And when we open it up, look what we got right here. This cute little set right here. I don't know if y'all can see that good. I'm gonna flip the camera and show y'all. So we got this little set right here. Very much cute, classy, you know. A girl can never go wrong with white. And then we got another set. And baby, y'all ain't ready for this. Boom. I got the Nelly Nail. Y'all know I love me a good Chanel. Nelly Nail. I don't care what you say, baby, Chanel. So I had to flip the camera and give y'all another view. Baby, don't play with her. She's not one of them. Very much cute, classy, you know, summertime vibes. So let me just say this, I absolutely love Icandinailsandlashes. Like, all jokes aside, I know I be cracking jokes sometimes, but baby, I really do love this company a lot. And their nails, very much cute, very much stylish, baby, and it don't take long to come or for her to make them. So make sure y'all go check out Icandinailsandlashes on Instagram and check them out, period. And stay tuned, because I'm about to put them on. I'm about to put them grippers on. So stay tuned for the next video. Peace. First, this is the kit that it comes with, and I'm gonna dump it out and show you everything one by one. First, we have these that come in the pack. Of course, nail glue, a filer, a buffer. I think I said that right. Don't come for me if I didn't say this right, but yeah. A cuticle pusher. This is for my lashes, and alcohol pads. So first thing first, I'm gonna be using this and pushing my cuticles back. I don't know if I'm using this tool right. Don't come for me, because I have a lot of stress and anxiety, so I be biting my nails. That's one reason why I don't get real nails. I get press-ons. But you just push it back. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but this is how I do it, the best of my ability. So after I push the cuticles back, I file it like this. Push the sides down with your fingernail, and then, you know, like this. And that's what I do. I don't technically know if I'm doing this right, but this is what I saw on YouTube, and I just been doing it like that ever since. Next, I take this and also it makes it easier if you do both hands at one time. That way, when you get ready to glue the nails on, you just glue and keep going. But yeah, now it's time to glue the nails on. So now you get the nails. Shout out to Icandinailsandlashes on Instagram. Make sure you go follow them, period. So you get the nails and you size them up to your finger, kind of like this. Like, you just pull one off and see if it fits your finger, see which finger it fits. Then you put the glue on and glue it. So next, I put a little glue on my fingernail and then on the actual nail, and place it on there and hold it tight for like 10 seconds. And then you move on to the next nail. So this is the finished product right here. This hand is kind of all over the place because it's hard to do this hand, but this hand right here is very much cute. Didn't know